All right, we are in the old historic church. What is it, Methodist, I think?
Methodist Episcopal.
Methodist Episcopal, and I guess you can ring the church bells here. You ready, buddy? Stand up on that right here. I don't know. Okay, you ready?
Ready?
Pull. That's cool.
Pretty loud.
That's very loud.
Wow.
Wow. Is that cool? He's gonna keep going. So we're in historic Roseberry, Idaho. This is a walk through town that has like a Finnish village from people that came from the Spanish-American War, and you can go over there to those old buildings. And I took a bunch of pictures that I posted on Facebook, and
That would be ideal.
topped it off with the ringing of the church bells.